Managing your health is easier when everything is in one place. That's exactly what the Devoted Health app is designed to do. If you're a Devoted Health member, the app gives you quick access to your health plan, medical information, and helpful tools that make managing your care much more convenient. But is it the health app you need in 2026? In this review, we'll explore its features, strengths, and a few limitations to help you decide. Let's get started. The Devoted Health app is built specifically for members of Devoted Health Medicare Advantage plans. Rather than being a general fitness or wellness app, its primary purpose is to help members manage their health care more efficiently from a smartphone or tablet. After signing in, you'll find a clean dashboard that brings together many of the tools you may need on a regular basis. You can view your member ID card, check your plan information, review medical and prescription benefits, and access important account details without needing to call customer support. One of the app's most useful features is its provider search. You can quickly find doctors, specialists, hospitals, pharmacies, and other healthcare providers that are included in your plan's network. This can save time when scheduling appointments or looking for care while traveling. The app also makes it easier to keep track of your health care. Depending on your plan, you may be able to review claims, monitor your coverage, check prescription information, and stay updated on the status of your benefits directly from the app. Another helpful feature is access to support. If you need assistance, the app provides quick ways to contact Devoted Health's support team, making it easier to get answers about your coverage, appointments, or plan benefits. Navigation is simple and beginner-friendly. The menus are clearly organized, and most important features can be reached with just a few taps. This makes the app especially useful for older adults who want an easy way to manage their health care without dealing with complicated menus. Like any healthcare app, security is a priority. Your personal health information is protected through secure account access, and you'll need to sign in to view sensitive medical or insurance details. Of course, there are a few limitations. The app is designed specifically for Devoted Health members, so people without a Devoted Health Medicare plan won't be able to use most of its features. In addition, some tools and available services may vary depending on your location and the specific plan you have. So, is the Devoted Health app worth using in 2026? If you're already enrolled in a Devoted Health Medicare Advantage plan, the answer is yes. The app provides a convenient way to manage your health care, access your plan information, find providers, and stay connected with your benefits, all from your mobile device. While it isn't meant to replace your doctor or provide medical advice, it can make managing your health care much simpler and more organized. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below sharing your experience with the Devoted Health app.